everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grabs. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to fix the suspicious login attempt on Snapchat. For that, let's go on the Snapchat first and inserting your username or email. Make sure to log in on the Snapchat. If there is problem on login on your account due to the suspicious login attempts on Snapchat, so how can we fix that problem is just tap on forward your password, and now you need to verify your account through phone or email. For now, I am selecting via email. So you need to enter your email and confirm that this email belong to you. So after you have verified your email, you need to reset your password on Snapchat and then enter the OTP code, and you will be able to access your account back. So by resetting password of the Snapchat, you can fix the suspicious login attempts on Snapchat. If this video was useful for you, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe our channel if you are new to our channel. Thank you.